Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to send link with Gmail. So log in your Gmail account. After that click on compose. Here type Gmail where you need to send. Subject and your message. And here the option insert link. Click on it. Text to display. To which URL should this link refer? Enter web address or enter email address. To enter web address, search copy URL and paste here. If you need to test this link, click here. If new page is opened properly, so it's mean this link is working. Now just click on OK. So as we can see, we have this proper link. Then send it. So this way you can send Gmail with a link. Thanks for watching.